Hey guys, I'm walking the Esplanade. On this boat is called an Esplanade instead of a promenade. There's the pub. We haven't eaten the food in there yet. Maybe today. Today's our last sea day. We'll be getting off tomorrow. It's near Christmas, so we got a Christmas tree. So yes, they do decorate for Christmas. There's the promenade. We'll all be getting coffee in a few minutes. Sorrento's, where you get pizza. The front of the pub, all Christmased out. Over here is this cafe. It has Starbucks, but you have to pay for it. Everything in that cafe is paid. Whereas the one across the hall, it's all free. If you want your Royal Caribbean merch, you go in there. I think. Yes. I'm filming and looking at the same time. That goes up to the 5th. That leads back to 270 and Vintages and Jamie's. So you go up the stairs and you'll get to those things. Boleros. Looks like they're going to host another art show. Maybe we'll go to that. There's the art in there. The art shows are fun. It is pretty much the same art every cruise though. They actually, if you go to the stuff, give you free art. I have a print of this guy's. Over there is guest services. And then back here starts leading to where the dining rooms are. Oh, look at him. So we're hitting that 3-minute mark, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye, guys. See you later.